How can you refund your items on Shein? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps by which you can refund the items that you have bought on Shein. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open the Shein application on your mobile device. After it loads up, you can see all of the catalogs and the options available on your screen. Simply select on the message icon that is available on the top left corner, right next to the search bar. After that, you'll be able to see the orders, the news, the new likes, comments, followers, activities like latest information of their events as well as promotions. Also, you can see the list of recommended items for you. If you press on the order options and if there is any order that you have placed or have received, you'll be able to see them over here. After that, you can simply select on the option called Refund, which will be available after you've received any of the order. Also, if you want a refund, you can simply message the provider for the refund options, and if they have it, they will also accept it. And there you go. It is as simple as that to refund items on Shein. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.